Welcome all, this is another video in topology series. In this we will see examples of path connected spaces. In previous video we have seen every path connected space is connected, but every connected space need not be path connected. We will see counter examples of it, that is we will see examples of connected spaces which are not path connected. So let us start. First of all we will see examples of path connected spaces and so the examples of connected spaces. First is punctured Euclidean domain is path connected space and hence it is connected. And punctured means if we remove elements from Rn, then it will become punctured space, punctured Euclidean domain. For example, if we remove 0 from Rn, then it will be punctured Euclidean domain and it will be connected, because there will exist path to join any elements of space. Or in fact, if we remove countably many points from Rn, that will also be punctured Euclidean domain and will also be path connected and hence connected. However, the space X is equal to R2 minus collection of pairs x comma y such that y is equal to 0 is not path connected and hence it will not be connected as well, since the set x comma y such that y is equal to 0 is actually equation of x axis, and if we remove x axis from R2, then the space will get divided into two halves. So the points from one half cannot be connected to points in second half by path, so it is not path connected and hence it will not be connected as well. Now we will see some examples of connected spaces which are not path connected. If we consider set S is equal to pairs x comma sine 1 over x, where 0 is strictly less than x is less than or equal to 1, and if we include set of limit points of this set S in it, then the closure of set S will be equal to S union set 0 comma y such that y belongs to closed interval minus 1 to 1. Now this closed set S closure is said to be topologist sine curve, which is well known interesting example of set which is connected but not path connected. Since if we consider any point from this set of limit points and any point from set S, then there will exist no path joining these 2 points. Since near x is equal to 0, sine 1 over x oscillates so that the graph of S is very close to origin but it never touches origin, and thus no path joining the points from set of limit points to points on S. So this is the set which is connected but not path connected.